most heavily modified 370Z we've ever seen at the shop. This thing is outrageous. Got this massive super wing. You have to cut the bumper to get this thing on there. As you guys can see, clean culture. Those are my boys over there. We got these Able Fab parts going on. The custom tips with the hearts. Thing's looking sweet. Got matte welding up that side. Let me show you guys the rest of the car real quick. So you got these super wide Porsche wheels on there. Nasty, 3-piece. The exhaust is completely stock. Take a look at that. So we actually sponsored this car. We're gonna knock this out in the future, probably a week or two. We're gonna get rid of all this, do a custom true dual system, X-pipe, resonators, and then keep those tips on the back. Like I said, let me show you the rest of this car, man. You got custom fenders, custom side skirts, custom front bumper, custom front lip, custom everything. This thing's on badge, 3-piece wheels. I mean, what more could you say, dude? It's missing an undercover, but it'll come soon. You got the Nismo badging, some carbon fibers, you know? So we're gonna drop it, show you guys what the rest of the car looks like. Like I said, it has bags, so it's got a crazy AccuAir kit on it. You know, full wide body kit. Look at that fender in the back, it's outrageous. The thing is super, super wide. And you got this deep dish wheel. Thing's my whole hand. Sick. Pretty badass. Carbon fiber door handles, peep it, peep it. I'm gonna drop it, show you guys the custom seats, the airbag kit. Look at that front fender, man, it's outrageous. Like, dude, the custom bodywork on this car is top notch. I mean, we're talking about 40, 50K in bodywork and mods. So what we're gonna do in the future, besides slapping this tips on for now, we're doing a custom catback, true dual, some vibrant resonators. Gonna make this thing sound like a little baby GTR. We gotta make it sound like how it looks, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna drop it, show you guys the rest of the car when we're done with the tips, and let us know what you guys think. And if you have a stock OEM Z with a cracked windshield, you let us know. So we could do custom exhaust for it. Got the 370 done. This thing is completely outrageous. Carbon fiber hood, wide body kit, custom wheels, side skirts, got carbon fiber everywhere, carbon fiber mirrors, carbon fiber roof, custom Porsche wing, trunk wing, custom drift wing, custom exhaust tips. This thing looks sick. Custom rear diffuser. You see the airbags inside? The thing's outrageous. Full shag rug up in there, bro, with the 2 pumps. Custom paint on the white. Custom white interior, custom steering wheel, custom carbon fiber everywhere. This thing's outrageous. Yeah, those seats are crazy. So, yeah, man, one of the most heavily modified 370Ds we've ever seen at the shop. I mean, slammed, full wide body kit, massive wing. What would you guys do to your 370Z? Let us know in the comments, and like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that too.